Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Holiday Inn Express and Suites, Lindale, an IHG hotel. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Holiday Inn Express and Suites, Lindale, an IHG hotel is located in Lindale, within 30 miles of Splash Kingdom Waterpark and 1.1 miles of Thedford. Among the facilities at this property are a 24-hour front desk and a business center, along with free Wi-Fi throughout the property. An outdoor swimming pool, an on-site snack bar and shared lounge are available. Guests at the hotel can enjoy a continental or a buffet breakfast. Wood Springs is 1.2 miles from Holiday Inn Express and Suites, Lindale, an IHG hotel, while Swan is 2.8 miles away. The nearest airport is Tyler Pounds Regional Airport, 13 miles from the accommodation. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.